Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to erase or remove text from an image using some fantastic tricks in PowerPoint 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Insert your image. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device to add your image. Resize or position it as you like. Step 2. Use the Shape and Color trick if you want to quickly cover up text. Select Insert, Shapes, and choose a rectangle. Draw it over the text you want to hide. Then go to Shape Format. Greater than Shape, fill greater than eyedropper, and click on a nearby area of the image to perfectly match the background color. Now, the text looks like it's gone. Step 3. Use the background blur trick. Duplicate your image by pressing Ctrl+D. On the top image, crop it till only the text area remains. Then go to Picture Format, greater than Artistic Effects, greater than Blur. Position it right over the text. The blurred area will hide it naturally while keeping the image realistic. Step 4. Use the background removal tool, optional. Go to Picture Format, greater than Remove Background. PowerPoint will automatically detect the subject and background. You can use mark areas to keep or remove to fine-tune it. This helps when you want to erase text printed on plain backgrounds. And that's it. You've just learned some fantastic PowerPoint tricks to erase or hide text in any image, cleanly and creatively. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint hacks and 2025 tutorials.